Hi, welcome to the Palm Canyons Knit Along. Now, if you've done some of my sweater classes before, you know I love options, and I have a lot of options to discuss with you today. We have two different fibers. We have two different ways to wear the sweater because it is in fact reversible. And we have to talk about fit. And as always, my class is going to come with a lot of other modifications, and that includes a whole list of kind of neck options. So I'm going to guide you through a lot of suggestions of pairings. So if you wanted to do a deeper V and a boat neck, or if you wanted to do a scoop neck and a crew neck, all of those will be discussed. But before we can dig into anything, we have to talk fiber decisions and we have to talk fit. So first, let's talk yarn. We have two amazing yarn options for you for this knit along. We have Nina, which is a linen blend. This is I should have had this memorized, but I don't. It's 77% linen and 23% cotton, and it is just pure drape. So we're going to talk about that when it comes to, look at that drape, when it comes to making fit decisions. And then we have Valley Northfield yarn, which is a merino baby alpaca silk blend. And so it's basically soft blended with soft blended with soft. So how do you make your decision? Well, you might decide I need both, which is clearly what I did. The Northfield is going to be a great transitional garment, fall, spring, great all year round if you do long sleeves under it. You could do, like a higher necked shirt under it. Nina is fabulous for spring and summer. Now, because I love options, it wasn't enough to give you an option on neckline, an option on how to wear it, and an option on yarn. We also gave you a seaming option. So I'm going to put some close-up photos of the two different seaming techniques that the pattern provides that gives you two very different looks. So first, before I start changing costumes a lot, let's talk about fit. So here I am wearing the Northfield and with the V-neck in the front. Don't worry, I'm going to switch it around and show it to you with the crew neck in the front as well. So this is what it looks with the V-neck in the front and the crew neck in the back. So I am wearing it currently. This is the 35-inch chest, but let's talk what that really means. What that dimension really is this straightaway dimension. But as you can see, because of the shaping, there you can see where the sleeve starts to increase up and then have its cast-ons is below where your chest reaches its fullest point. So in fact, the 35-inch chest, which is this dimension right here, really is closer to, I would say, 37 and then some at the full apex of the bust. So I am wearing this I have a 32-inch high chest, which is the measurement of the tape measure wrapped tight around my upper torso. So sometimes you'll hear this measurement as high chest, as upper torso. So this is 3 inches of positive ease. That means the garment is larger than me, of my high chest. And it is 1 inch of positive ease at my full chest, but really it's even more than that because of the way the armhole's so deep and the way it widens out. As you can see, the sleeves are all knit in one piece. So what about the thickness of the fabric? Well, the Northfield is going to create a slightly thicker fabric than the linen. So if you are concerned about ease, you can use even less ease with the linen because remember, it's the space between the inside circumference and your body. So the thinner the fabric, the larger the hole in the middle for your body to go. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to try this one on for you as well. I could easily have gone up one size with this, but I didn't want the neck to become too wide, and I knew that this would fit me well. But I'm going to show you what the linen looks on me one size up. So first, I want to switch this around. So here we are with the V-neck, and here it is with the crew neck. So this is what it looks like with the crew neck to the front and the V-neck to the back. So if you like a little interest in the back, this is a great way to wear it. But of course, you don't have to choose how you wear it because you can wear it both ways. So next up, let me show you what the linen looks like. So this is the second size in the linen. And as you can see, it's even roomier. It's very drapey. And of course, it widens out here under the arm. So this is the 38-inch chest, but again, that measurement is this straightaway measurement. So as it gets to the fullest apex of my bust, it's actually more like, 39, 40 almost. So plenty of room, very roomy, very drapey, extremely comfortable. This would be great all through the spring and well into the summer, into really hot weather. Now, I could have, for me, reversed those sizes, made the smallest size for myself in the linen and the second size for myself in the Northfield, in the thicker fabric, and it would look a little different. So you have a lot of decisions to make. You want to think about how you want to wear it. Do you want to sort of easy breezy, toss it on over pants or over a skirt? Do you want a slightly more fitted look? And then, of course, you're going to decide about your seam. Here we have the visible 3-needle bind off. And even there you have a choice. Do you want the knit side showing with the V-neck, the purl side showing with the V-neck? So many decisions. So here's the V-neck and the crew neck back. And now here's the crew neck front with the V-neck in the back. So many choices. Okay, so the first thing you're going to have to do is pick which yarn, or maybe both, and you're going to just have to decide on size. Now remember, really important, when you swatch, if you get a slightly different gauge than me, there's going to be a tutorial to show you what to do with that information. So you might end up with an in-between size or a size, smaller than small or larger than large. You have a lot of options if you get a different gauge. So when you're ordering yarn, don't be conservative, because remember, Web's return policy is awesome. So no problem with returns, but you don't want to get stuck with mismatched dye lots. So if you're not sure about what size, if you're not sure which way you're going to go, order a couple extra balls because you're going to need yarn for swatching. You might always, you might decide, oh, I'm going to make some changes. I want to make the sleeve, bracelet length, whatever. Make sure you have lots of options. So one more time, crew neck in the front, linen. V-neck in the front, linen. V-neck in the front, wool alpaca. Crew neck in front, wool alpaca blend. You basically can't go wrong. You have your gorgeous Nina cotton linen blend, perfect for spring, summer. You have your Northfield silk wool alpaca blend, perfect for kind of a lot of seasons, spring, fall, your transitional times, even into winter with a layer underneath. Get one, get both, wear them any which way. I can't wait to get started with